Hi, I am about to blow your mind when it comes to growing pineapples. I'm Debbie from Vintage Food Farm, and let me show you a really cool way to grow pineapples. So I'll show you our little pineapple garden. We actually have pineapples growing all over the block in different places. Some were planted before we bought the property, and most of them were planted afterwards. So I'll show you this small little pineapple patch. So over here is just a small garden, and it's got a few things in it, including pineapple. It has some papaya. As you know, we grow a lot of papaya. We have a pawpaw as well. There's a lot of these native palms coming up everywhere. I'll show you the mother of all these palms. How beautiful is that? And then here we have pineapples. So these ones don't have any fruit on them yet. There's one with a green baby pineapple. And you can see this garden is a bit messy, but if you have a look here, I've got sawtooth coriander that's gone to seed. Once that spreads over the whole garden, it will actually outgrow the weeds and beat them. So that's the idea here. Lots of sawtooth coriander in around the pineapple plants. Just have a look at the size of this plant. Beautiful, big, healthy pineapple. And there's another one. So normally when people grow pineapples, they'll get a pineapple from the store, from the market, or they will grow a pineapple and they will rip the top off, and I'll show you how to do that, and pull some leaves off, put the top into a jar of water and grow one pineapple plant. That's amateur. I'm going to show you a way to get 4 pineapple plants from one pineapple top. So the first step in growing 4 pineapple plants from your one pineapple compared to growing one pineapple plant is exactly the same. So basically you take your pineapple and you rip the top off, the spiky leaves, rip about, 2 or 3 layers of leaves off. Just like that. And then we will put this into a jar of water, and all the roots will come out of the little gaps where those leaves were just pulled out. And don't forget to eat your pineapple. So once your pineapple has been in just a jar of water, it will grow lots of beautiful roots. Now, if you were going to just plant the one pineapple pot, you would take your rooted pineapple, just make a hole, plant it into a pot or plant it straight into the garden like we do, and then this will grow into a beautiful big pineapple plant, which will then grow a pineapple on top. The really exciting thing is once you cut the first pineapple off, leave the plant there, even though it looks a bit dead, because what it will do is it will send off sucker plants or pups, and each of those will also grow a pineapple. So that's a great way to grow one pineapple, and then maybe a few more suckers will come off that after that has produced its first pineapple. But I'm now going to show you how to take it next level and to grow 4 pineapple plants from the one top, and then they will produce 4 pineapples, and then if you leave the plant in the ground, that may produce suckers or pups, and you will get even more. So next I'll show you how to cut your one pineapple top with the roots into 4 separate plants. And then basically just pull those fleshy bits out because they may rot. They're a bit fleshy. And that's it. That's your 4 pineapple plants from 1 pineapple top. So I just want to show you this plant. So this is an old pineapple plant where we've harvested the pineapple. And then off to the side here, you can see that's a pup. So that is a sucker, which is another whole pineapple plant that is growing from this old one. So once you have your 4 pineapple plants, I'll just get rid of the water. You just grab your 4 pots or plant them straight into the garden. Gently with the roots. Any fleshy bits, just pull that off. And continue and plant up your 4 pineapples from 1 store-bought or homegrown pineapple top. How is that? So from 1 pineapple, you can get 4 plants. Those 4 plants will produce 4 pineapples. Those pineapple plants, once it's produced, that pineapple may produce a couple of pups or a sucker, which could then produce more pineapples. So if you already knew that, total respect. But when I found out you could grow 4 pineapples from 1, it blew my mind. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you feel like it. But most importantly, stay calm in the farm.